Hi everybody, this is Gopakumar and welcome to my channel Hi-Fi Tech. So, didn't you get WhatsApp payment option after updates? Well, it could take some more time. I will tell you the real reason for this. So, stay tuned. WhatsApp payment service, which is based on UPI standard developed by NPCI, started its beta mode feature in partnership with ICICI Bank. The Facebook-owned company WhatsApp has been testing its payment service in India since Feb 2018 in beta mode, with number of users limited to 1 million. But only recently, after a long wait of 2 years, they got a clearance from NPCI and were able to expand this feature across India. WhatsApp will now be able to roll out its UPI payment platform features across India in a phased manner, as they have secured the license from National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI. In the first phase, it will be able to offer payment in a graded mode manner, that is to 2 crores, that is again 20 million Indian users at a time, as mandated by NPCI on November 5th, 2020. This means that not every users will have access to the new WhatsApp payment service right away. Even though WhatsApp payment is now available in the latest updates of November 12, 2020, version 2.20.205.16. Considering that WhatsApp has over 40 crores, that is 400 million users in India as of today, NPCI has sanctioned for only 2 crores users at present. Hence, if you have updated to the latest version and still does not find this feature in the setting or the attachment folder, you might have to wait for some more time. There is not much you can do about it, but to wait for your luck and turn. Now you may ask me why only 2 crores users can access these features from the total 40 crores. Well, you may even tell this is purely unfair. Yes, that's the point here. If WhatsApp were to launch the payment features for everyone at once, this would give them unfair advantage over the competition, especially the small third-party companies, and could lead to monopoly. Due to this reason, NPCI has asked WhatsApp to roll out this payment feature only to 2 crores users in the first phase at present. Further, starting from Jan 2021, third-party apps will be capped, that is limited to a maximum of 30% of all transactions in futures. At present, Google Pay and Phone Pay gets over 40%. Hence, from January 1st, 2021, the total transaction is limited to 30% through third-party applications like Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm, Google Pay, while Beam is government app after all. At present, almost 80% transaction takes place through this third-party app in India, especially after the outbreak of COVID-19. WhatsApp app system enables transaction with over 160 supported banks and is free to use. There is no transaction fees like UPI services. WhatsApp app payment limits for a transaction is 1 lakh. At present, this payment service by WhatsApp is in partnership with ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, SBI and Jio Payment Bank. Those who have a UPI linked with any third-party app can use the same code to operate WhatsApp payment. Now, there are 2 methods you can try if you still haven't got the payment option. The first option to get this payment feature on your mobile phone is that it is compulsory to update the WhatsApp app. The second option, if you have not received this feature in spite of updating the app, you need to look for someone who has the payment feature enabled on their phone. Ask them to send you a payment notification, that is invitation, to your chat. When you receive this notification from the contact, WhatsApp will ask you to set up your payment account. This depends upon your luck again, as WhatsApp has disabled this invitation notification feature from the payment option. WhatsApp has rolled out this feature in Brazil and India as of now, but would be available in Mexico, UK, Spain, and Europe in the future.
Hey everyone, I hope that you and your families are staying healthy and safe. And I'm excited to share today that WhatsApp has been approved to launch payments across India. So now you're going to be able to easily send money to your friends and family through WhatsApp, just as easily as sending a message. There's no fee, and it's supported by more than 140 banks. And because it's WhatsApp, you know that it's secure and private too. Digital payments is incredibly important right now. It's safer than handing someone some cash, and it eliminates needing to stand in line at a bank. So you're going to be able to easily send money to families and friends, even if they're miles away across the country. We've been working on this with the National Payments Corporation of India, who oversee everything to make sure that it is secure and reliable. And we've built it using India's unified payment interface, which makes it easy for anyone to instantly accept payments across a lot of different apps. And that means for companies to provide people with great services too. With UPI, India has created something truly special and is opening up opportunities for micro and small businesses that are the backbone of the Indian economy. India is the first country to do anything like this, and I'm glad that we were able to support this effort and work together to achieve a more digital India. Payments is available now in our 10 Indian regional language versions of WhatsApp. All you need is a debit card with a bank that supports UPI, and you're going to be able to set it up right away. You're going to be able to find it in the latest version of WhatsApp.
So I guess I have cleared your doubts on this topic. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate you hit the like button and subscribe this channel to receive updates on how you can improve your life in the digital age. Till the next video, this is Gopakumar signing off. Stay safe and blessed. Bye.